Take a look at this phantom wallet, $6.4 million all made from launching meme coins on repeat. No hype, no trading, just a strategy that works over and over again. Stay locked in because I'm breaking it all down into this video. I will be on gatekeeping everything. Now, if you guys did not know already, I've been trading meme coins for almost a year now, but recently I completely stopped because I started deving my own coins. Because when I first started trading meme coins, I was chasing every chart, trying to catch an next pump, and every single time I fucking bought in a meme coin, I got completely dumped on, and that's exactly why I switched to deving meme coins. Because it's when I realized something really valuable. The real money is not made by trading, it's made by launching your own projects. That is where the real generational wealth lies in. Because by launching meme coins, you've got completely nothing to lose, but trading meme coins, bro, you could buy here, and here, and still lose all your fucking money. And because I launched my own projects now, I'm able to turn $0 into 1k and just repeat this process over and over again. It literally costs $0 to make your first meme coin, bro. That's exactly why I'm making this video, to show you how it's done. And by the way, bro, this video is for educational purposes only. Please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Stop! Now, most people, when they want to dev meme coins, they go to Pump.Fun because most people think that this platform is the best launchpad out there. But bro, hear me out. Pump.Fun's overcrowded. There's too many coins and too little visibility for your meme coins. Most tokens die before they even graduate, which means your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to be graduated onto the Raydium DEX. That takes too much luck, too much time, and most people will just lose their time, and yeah. And that's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io, because this is the ultimate best launchpad out here in 2025 at the moment. Why? Because on this platform, bro, your token launches straight to Raydium, which means it will be immediately migrated and it will be shown to tens and thousands of people right on the spot, and is tradable right away. You keep full control of your liquidity and profits. Now, here's how to launch a meme coin on this platform. You've got two easy options and you just have to choose one and stick with it. Now, the first method is to create a coin from scratch. So go on X and look for a narrative that's popping. It could be something funny, a meme, just anything, right? For example, Rockstar Games just announced that GTA 6 will be pushed back to November 19th, 2026. That's a good narrative because they've been fucking edging this project over and over again. And yeah, bro, it could be like news, it could be something funny, anything, right? And once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io, invent a name, right? Invent a quick symbol for your meme coin, and then take a screenshot of anything and just put it right here for the logo. And just like that, bro, after these steps, your coin is custom created. But bro, hear me out once again. The second method, bro, is my personal favorite one and is the most profitable for anyone watching this video, and that's by copying trending coins over and over again. Now, all of these coins right here are already trending on Pump.Fun, which means they are hot and they're already viral. So when you copy them to Raydium, you will get instant buyers and stronger profits from the start. Bro, copying coins from this list is a cheat code. You guys will see how. Alright, let's put this into action. I'm going to launch a token live so you can see how easy the process actually is from start to finish, all step by step. Now, the first step is to connect your Phantom wallet and then click on the refresh button, and let's look for a coin to copy through here. Which one looks decent? I think I'm going to copy the Miran coin. It has a last buy 13 seconds ago and a 93 replies and a $51,000 market cap. So click on create coin. After that, ignore the block and the warning from Phantom. Just go through it. So proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied on the Solana blockchain. Let's see what happens. Boom. If I go on SoScan real quick, you guys can see that boom, it's on the fucking blockchain. It's all legit. Everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our token. Now this part's simple. We're adding the liquidity. That's what connects your token to Raydium so people can instantly buy and sell the moment it goes live onto Raydium. This is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to create. Now first of all is for the token A, just tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens right under for the token B. This is your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing that SOL, it's just locked up to open the market. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you remove the liquidity later, that same SOL comes right back into your Phantom wallet, so you have nothing to lose because you will get it back later. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, and then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that is done, click on the refresh button, scroll down, and boom, the Memecoin is on live. Our profits are at $0 though, because if you click on the refresh button to check your profits in real time, you guys can see that we're now up $170 in fucking USD. Now, click on view on Photon to see the chart, or you can go on Axum or on Bullx, wherever you want, okay? Just by copy pasting the address. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin. And let's see, boom, it's live. We are getting a shit ton of buyers. Oh my god, 1.6k market cap. We are getting buyers. We're already up a couple $100. Life is looking good. We are getting volume. People are starting to buy in our project, which is absolutely insane. Come on. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? We're getting so many big fucking buys. Okay, I am going to dump the coin right now live. Come on now. Come on, pump. 2k market cap, 1.2k liquidity. Things are looking juicy. I love diving coins for this exact reason, bro. We created this coin for completely $0, and now we're getting organic fucking transactions. Come on, bro. The volume is kicking in. Now guys, if you want to make this coin better, you can use volume bots. It's not necessary for the beginner. I would highly recommend to just build up your portfolio by doing this over and over again, and then you can go into bundles and more deeper stuff. Now, if you do have any questions, just DM me on X at Jay.crypto, JFlips, whatever the fuck. But anyways, boom, it's pumping. I'm going to give this coin a bit of time, and I will be right back. Okie dokie guys, I am officially back after a couple minutes. Now I could wait longer for it to go higher because it is bullish, but I will be dumping the coin at a 13k market cap, so come back to create tokens.io obviously, and then click on the refresh button. And now we are officially up $1.52,000 in USD, which is not bad, right, for our first coin. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, click on the red button, let's see what happens. And now as you guys can see, we're gonna receive 9.3 SOL, click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you make money from doing this shit, bro. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom! $1.43,000 all in my Phantom wallet. I think it went down just a bit. That's why it's a bit low. But let's fucking go, bro. This was all for educational purposes only, bro. Please do not do this. Cap!